Hello there, wonderful viewers. Thanks for choosing this video from Fixit. Join Fixit on a journey of knowledge and creativity. Today, I will show you how to add multiple accounts on Snapchat. Remember to subscribe and click the bell icon so you don't miss any Fixit magic. Let's get started. First of all, open Snapchat application. Tap your profile icon from the top left. Come to your Bitmoji profile page, then you want to tap the gear icon from the top right. Now if you want to switch account, the only way you can do it is just tap the logout option. When you tap the logout button, you can just choose to save this password right. Now you can just try to log into another account by just tapping the Use Other Account button here. When you enter the new password and log in next time. When you have many accounts added, you'll find its list here, and then you can just swipe between each of them in order to log into either of those Snapchat accounts. But keep in mind that you are going to get locked out of your account either way, so you have to log on and log into another account, but you can still save the password. This is simply how you can remove your 3D Bitmoji on Snapchat. Did this video help you? Comment below if I fixed your problem. Hit the subscribe button for more tutorials. Your input fuels us. Comment something below you would like to see fixed.